Show me that smile again.
Show me that smile.
Tonight on Satan's Screener, what do this, and this have in common? We'll find out.
A new boy in the neighborhood lives downstairs and it's understood. He's there just to take good care of me, like he's one of the family. Charles in charge of our days and our nights. Charles in charge of our wrongs and our rights. And I see I want Charles in charge of me. Charles in charge of our days and our nights. Charles in charge of our wrongs and our rights. And I see I want Charles in charge of me.
Welcome to another edition of Satan's Screener, where I watch the bad movies so you won't have to. And to save my soul, kind of a deal I made. At the end of every video, the lip sync goes bad. But anyway, off to tonight's bad movies. Yep, Microwave Massacre, which has probably the best opening graphic title scene of all time. And holy shit, look at the titties on that beach. Holy jeez, I wanna lick 'em! I have a sudden craving for milk.
What's going on, my man? I have to go to restroom. Be right back.
She got her boobies stuck in a knothole.
Yes, Napoleon, I know you're hungry. Well, you can get ready for a feast. I don't know how we survived all that horrible food until I decided to do something about my cuisine. We're much better off now, though. And if this marvel does its job, it will get even better. That classless jerk won't hold us back anymore.
Thanks, exposition dog. Microwave Massacre is a story of poor schlub of a husband who whose wife always cooks gourmet meals that he doesn't appreciate, and so he kills her and cooks her in the microwave.
Maybe there's something in the microwave. Oh. May's in the microwave.
The microwave's so big it just gives me images of Britney Spears' vagina in my head.
I so see it, but I so don't believe it. Yes, sir. I know I'm gonna be sick.
Anyway, so after he cooks her in the gigantic microwave, he has a sudden craving for human flesh, so he goes out and goes on a murdering spree. Hence, a microwave and a massacre. Even though there's barely any bloodshed in the movie, no blood and gore, just stupid, silly jokes that you swear would come from a 5-year-old's joke book.
What's your name, sweetie?
Donald, what's yours?
D-D-D.
D-D-D. Hey, I like that. D-D-D. You know, that's a very nice name.
You think so?
Yeah, D-D-D.
My mother wanted to name me Delia, but she stuttered.
Oh.
Hey, have you ever screwed in 3D?
Probably the best part of Microwave Massacre is the casting of the husband, who is played by comedian Jackie Vernon, who you might know best as Frosty the Snowman. Yes, so it's kind of fun watching and hearing Frosty do the things that he shouldn't be doing. There must have been some magic in that old Jimmy hat he found, 'cause when he put it on his head, he began to dance. So all these talks with microwave made me kind of hungry, so I guess I'll eat one of these Hulk Hogan's chicken sandwiches, and you guys go back to and oh, thumpity thump thump thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go, thumpity hump hump thumpity hump hump, humping all them hoes. And no, Mark, don't eat that jabroni sandwich.
Yes, yes, yes.
Poor Mark, he died.
Sometimes the world looks perfect, nothing to rearrange. Sometimes you just